Okay, hi Carter. Here, do your ABCs. Okay, do A. A, B, C, D, E, F, do G. Need help? You remember G. G, C, H, I, J. Okay, erase. Erase. Do K. Oops. K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, erase. Erase. Cute. Q, R, S. Okay, erase. Oh, there's T. Okay, erase first. What's next? U.
V.
Okay, V. You know V. V. Okay, erase. Bless you. Do V. Need help?
Okay.
You know V. V. Do W. W. X. Y. Okay. Z. Erase. Z. Let me see Z. You know Z. You want help? Okay. Z.
Oops.
Oops. Do it. Finish. Z. Yeah.